Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we bring you an exciting and detailed look at the all-new Horizon Ultra Coach, a next-generation touring bus designed for comfort, performance, and long-distance reliability. The Horizon Ultra Coach represents a perfect balance between luxury travel and modern engineering, making it an ideal choice for passengers who want a smooth, safe, and enjoyable journey on every route. This vehicle is crafted for those who appreciate premium quality on the road and expect a ride that feels closer to a luxury lounge than a regular bus. The Horizon Ultra Coach features a refined exterior design with aerodynamic curves that help reduce wind resistance and improve fuel efficiency. Its bold front fascia, integrated LED headlights, and signature grille give it a strong road presence. Whether this bus is used on highways, city routes, or tourist destinations, its modern styling ensures it stands out from the rest. The wide panoramic windows add an elegant touch while providing passengers with beautiful scenic views during travel. Inside the Horizon Ultra Coach, comfort is the top priority. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality seats designed to support passengers even on long journeys. Soft cushioning, adjustable backrests, and generous legroom make every ride relaxing. Noise insulation throughout the cabin minimizes road sounds, allowing passengers to rest, enjoy conversations, or simply enjoy the trip peacefully. The interior lighting is warm and modern, creating an inviting atmosphere both during the day and at night. Overhead storage compartments are built to be secure and convenient, helping passengers store their belongings easily. The coach is also equipped with advanced climate control technology to ensure that the temperature inside remains comfortable in every season. Whether it's heat or cold outside, the Horizon Ultra Coach keeps the interior environment stable and pleasant. USB charging ports and entertainment features enhance the travel experience, making this bus suitable for long routes and modern passengers who rely on digital devices. When it comes to performance, the Horizon Ultra Coach is powered by a robust and reliable engine engineered for fuel efficiency and smooth acceleration. The suspension system is specially tuned to absorb bumps and maintain stability on rough roads, giving passengers a soft and controlled ride. The bus handles turns confidently and maintains excellent balance even when fully loaded, thanks to its optimized chassis design. Drivers also benefit from advanced assistance systems that provide better control, safety, and visibility. Safety remains a major highlight of the Horizon Ultra Coach. It includes emergency braking support, anti-lock braking systems, lane assist indicators, and stability control to ensure maximum protection for everyone on board. Fire safety equipment, emergency exits, and strong body construction ensure that the coach follows strict safety standards. The reliable braking system gives drivers confidence during high-speed travel and steep descents. The Horizon Ultra Coach also excels in fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective option for transport companies and tour operators. Its aerodynamic structure, lightweight materials, and efficient engine design all work together to reduce fuel consumption, helping businesses save money over long-term operations. With lower maintenance requirements and durable components, this coach ensures long service life and reduced downtime. For passengers, the experience inside the Horizon Ultra Coach feels premium from start to finish. The ride quality, comfort, and thoughtful details create a relaxing atmosphere where travelers can unwind. For operators, this bus offers long-term value, reliable performance, and modern features that elevate their fleet standards. If you are looking for one of the best touring buses in 2025, the Horizon Ultra Coach stands out as a smart and luxurious choice. It brings together technology, efficiency, style, and comfort in one complete package. This was our detailed look at the Horizon Ultra Coach. Thank you for watching Autoland 2025, and I will see you in the next video.